In South Korea, a court sentences former President Lee Myung-bak to 15 years in prison on corruption charges. The 2018 Nobel Peace Prize is going to Congolese doctor Denis Mukwege and Yazidi activist Nadia Murad for their efforts to stop sexual violence. The World Health Organization says Ebola patients in the Democratic Republic of Congo have received experimental medicines for the first time. And in Kenya, Melania Trump, wife of the U.S. president, feeds baby elephants after visiting with children whose parents have died.